Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and realizing you've lost thousands of dollars without buying anything. No scam, no robbery, no hacking. Just a few financial mistakes that millions of Americans are making right now. Here's the shocking part. Most people don't even know it's happening. They believe they're saving money. They believe they're investing wisely. They believe they're preparing for retirement. But in reality, they're quietly falling behind every single year. And in 2026, these mistakes have become even more dangerous. Higher living costs, more subscription spending, easy credit, AI-driven scams, and emotional investing are destroying people's finances faster than ever before. In today's video, we're breaking down the 7 biggest money mistakes Americans are making in 2026, and more importantly, exactly how smart investors are avoiding them. Stay until the end, because mistake number 5 is costing the average household far more than most people realize. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, keeping too much cash in the bank. Let's start with the mistake that looks smart, but quietly steals your wealth. Keeping too much money sitting in a regular savings account. It feels safe. Your balance never goes down. Everything looks fine. But that's exactly why it's dangerous.
Imagine having $25,000 sitting in your bank account for years. You think you're protecting your money, but inflation is silently reducing what that money can actually buy. Even if your balance stays exactly the same, its purchasing power keeps shrinking. That's like taking a pay cut without your employer ever telling you.
Here's what wealthy people understand. Cash is important, but only for emergencies. The rest of their money is working for them through investments, interest, or other income-producing assets. They know one simple truth. Money should work, even while you sleep. So what's the smarter move? Keep enough cash for emergencies, but consider putting longer-term savings into investments or accounts that have the potential to better keep pace with inflation based on your goals and risk tolerance. The goal isn't to chase returns, it's to avoid letting your money lose value by doing nothing. But believe it or not, that's not the mistake hurting Americans the most. The next one is creating debt without people even realizing it. Mistake number 2. Treating credit cards like free money. Credit cards are one of the greatest financial tools ever created, but they're also one of the easiest ways to lose control. Swipe, tap, buy now, pay later. Everything feels effortless until the bill arrives. Shock. Imagine buying coffee, clothes, electronics, vacations, all with one little piece of plastic. It feels harmless because no cash leaves your wallet. But psychologically, spending with a card often feels less painful than spending cash. And that's exactly why many people spend more than they planned. Even worse, high interest can make a small balance grow much more expensive if it isn't paid off. A purchase that seemed affordable today can end up costing much more over time. That's money that could have been invested, saved, or used to build your future. The smartest card users don't avoid credit cards, they use them strategically. They pay the full balance whenever possible. They earn rewards without paying unnecessary interest. The card works for them, not the other way around. Now here's something almost nobody talks about. Mistake number 3 looks responsible, but it's quietly destroying retirement savings for millions of people. Mistake number 3, waiting too long to invest. One of the biggest myths in personal finance is this: I'll start investing when I make more money. Sounds logical, but it's one of the most expensive decisions you can make. Shock. Time is often more powerful than the amount you invest. Starting earlier gives your investments more opportunity to grow over the long term through compounding. Waiting years can mean missing out on that growth. Imagine 2 friends. Sarah starts investing a modest amount every month in her 20s. Mike waits until his 30s because he thinks he'll earn more later. Even if Mike invests larger amounts, Sarah may still end up with more simply because she gave her money more time to grow. That's the power of compounding. It rewards patience, not perfection. The biggest mistake isn't choosing the wrong investment. It's never getting started. Even small, consistent investments can add up over many years. Consistency beats timing. Action beats procrastination. So far, we've covered 3 mistakes that quietly drain wealth every single year. But the next mistake is something millions of Americans do every single month without thinking twice. And it could be one of the biggest reasons people never build real wealth. Part 2 will cover mistake number 4, lifestyle inflation. Mistake number 5, subscription traps, the shocking one. For more finance videos, subscribe Rishu Unfiltered. Ta-ta!